here's today's Easter egg updates. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do this. So, next to the drafts, there's gonna be an Easter box for you and me. So, I want to talk about this Easter box. So this Easter box, you could literally claim all these rewards. So, basically, the first thing you have to do is claim 4 of these tickets. Alright? Then you can do a draft or a pull or a draw. I would say draw. So you could do a draw. And then it's going to be the same animation. If you get a golden ball, you're going to get a pack or 5 draft vouchers. If you get a normal ball, you're going to either get 100 training transfer points, 1,000 gems, 300 rank up points, a draft voucher, 2 million coins, or 5 million coins. Now I'm going to show you how to get the tickets. This is how you get the tickets. Now, first you have to go to exchange, then you go to player exchange, then at the top selections, next to Soccer part and UEFA Dream Chaser part, there's going to be an Easter egg in between those two parts. It's called the Easter egg hunt. Now, scrolling all the way here, there's these sections. Now, the thing is, I have each one of these types of eggs from here that are shown right now on the screen. So I have the red piece, yellow piece, and blue piece. Now, once you have one of those, at least one of those, you can exchange them for a ticket. So now I got one ticket because I was able to exchange it. Now I need a blue egg. In order to get a blue egg, I need to exchange both of these eggs to get a blue egg. So that's how you get a ticket. And if you are missing an egg, but you have a lot of other eggs, then you can exchange for that type of egg. So that's how you get a ticket. But then where do you get the eggs from? I'm going to show you how to get the eggs next. Now there's many ways to get eggs. First, you can get them from login rewards, I believe. So that's how I got mine, I remember. And I got like 2 eggs. Then I had to get a blue egg. So the way I got a blue egg was I started by doing some UEFA Dream Chasers event, started grinding that, and then I realized I got an egg somehow. So then I checked the match, and then there's more rewards. So I looked at guaranteed rewards. These are the guaranteed rewards, tokens and gems. But then I realized there's this possible rewards. So there's a chance of you getting this. Unfortunately, I only got 1 piece. If I got 3 pieces, that would equal to 3 tickets. And that would get me a lot of eggs. Tickets. So I basically got it through that. And it shows 1 piece. Well, I got 3 pieces. Or, wait 1 second, guys. I think when it means 1 piece, I think it's only talking about 1 of these egg pieces. And I got 3. I guess I got the best chance, or I don't know, guys. If I got one of these 2 chances, I would have understood better, but I got the 3rd chance, which is the best, but I don't know, guys. So it doesn't help me understand. Now, I don't know if you can get them from here. So, okay, no. Those were the guaranteed rewards, so I don't think so you can get them from the duels part. So, I don't think so. Yeah, you can't get it from there. And I don't think so you can get it from here either. So basically, you can't really get it through anywhere in the UEFA Dream Chaser part except this match. Alright, that's how you get the eggs. 1 way to get eggs. And I'm just going to check if you can get it here, but it seems like you cannot. And I'll also make a part 2 guide about UEFA Dream Chasers event. Maybe like tomorrow or something. But this is how to use Easter egg to make a ticket, and when you have 4 tickets, you can do a draw. Then you can get a reward, unless you're good enough to get a golden ball. That would be good. And if you really try hard a little for these tickets, sorry, my bad, that's the wrong one. All you have to do, log in every day, play that UEFA Dream Chaser part, then you'll get a ticket. More guaranteed that you could also get 2 tickets in a couple of days. So basically, based on the progress you make in a couple of days, you could do a lot of pulls from here. So basically, now use my advice and you do it on your account. Bye guys.